What's going on, everyone? It's InvestConquer and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's near and dear to my heart. Passive income. Specifically, we're breaking down 10 proven strategies to help you rake in an extra $100 per day without needing to clock into a 9 to 5. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, is $100 a day even a big deal? Listen, while it might not sound like a life-changing amount, that's an extra $3,000 per month. That's a serious chunk of change that can go towards paying off debt faster, investing in your future, or even just treating yourself to something nice. We're not just talking about some pie-in-the-sky ideas either. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you can take to start generating real, sustainable passive income streams, from affiliate marketing to real estate, and even some cutting-edge AI-powered strategies. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on building your passive income empire. Let's kick things off with affiliate marketing, a straightforward way to generate passive income. It's about getting paid to promote products you believe in. You're getting a cut for referring new customers. Join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Create content that educates and engages your audience. Provide valuable information and weave in your affiliate links. Let's move on to another fantastic avenue for passive income: selling digital products. Digital products require zero inventory, no shipping costs, and can be sold unlimited times. It's like printing money from your computer. Popular options include ebooks, online courses, and software plugins. Identify a problem and create a digital product that solves it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, you're all about real estate and personal finance. What's YouTube got to do with passive income? Well, my friends, YouTube has evolved into a passive income powerhouse. And you don't even need to show your face to cash in. That's right. Faceless YouTube channels are all the rage these days, and they can be incredibly lucrative. The idea is simple. You create valuable, niche-specific content that people are searching for, and you let YouTube's algorithm do the heavy lifting of getting your videos in front of the right eyeballs. But how do you create engaging content without being on camera? That's where things get interesting. You can leverage text-to-speech software, use screen recordings to create tutorials, or even hire freelance animators to bring your ideas to life visually. The key is to focus on providing value and keeping your audience entertained, even without your smiling face on screen. Now, in terms of choosing a niche, the options are practically limitless. Chapter 4: Print on Demand, Designing Your Way to Passive Profits. Alright, let's talk about a passive income stream that lets you unleash your inner artist and entrepreneur: print on demand. Now, if you're anything like me, you love the idea of creating your own unique products, but dread the thought of managing inventory, handling shipping logistics, and dealing with customer service headaches. Well, that's where Print on Demand comes in to save the day. With Print on Demand, you can design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, wall art, and so much more, all without having to touch a single piece of inventory. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Here's how it works. You create your designs using graphic design software like Canva, my personal favorite, Adobe Photoshop, or even free online tools. Then, you partner up with a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. These platforms connect you with a network of manufacturers and printers who handle everything from printing your designs onto the products to fulfilling orders and shipping them directly to your customers. You essentially act as the creative director and marketer, while the print-on-demand platform takes care of all the logistical heavy lifting. Chapter 5: Blogging and Ad Revenue, Turning Words into Wealth. Blogging is alive and well, and it can be a surprisingly lucrative way to generate passive income. Niche down, provide exceptional value, and optimize your content for search engines. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about. Now let's talk about monetization. Chapter 6: Dropshipping, Selling Without the Stockroom. Alright, let's dive into a passive income model that's taken the e-commerce world by storm: dropshipping. Now, if you've ever dreamed of running your own online store but cringed at the thought of managing inventory, packing boxes, and dealing with shipping nightmares, then dropshipping might just be your golden ticket to entrepreneurial freedom. Essentially, dropshipping allows you to sell products online without ever physically touching the inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you list products from dropshipping suppliers, and when a customer places an order on your store, the dropshipping supplier handles the entire fulfillment process, from packaging to shipping the product directly to your customer's doorstep. You act as the middleman, connecting customers with products they're looking for, and you pocket the difference between your selling price and the dropshipping supplier's wholesale price. It's a beautiful business model that allows you to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment and virtually zero inventory risk. Alright, let's talk about a passive income stream that's perfect for all you creatives and shutterbugs out there. Selling stock photography and video footage. If you've got a knack for capturing stunning photos and videos, why not turn your passion into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income stream? The demand for high-quality stock content has exploded in recent years, as businesses, bloggers, marketers, and content creators are constantly searching for visually appealing images and videos to enhance their websites, social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials. Now you might be thinking, Graham, but I'm not a professional photographer or videographer, and you know what? That's perfectly fine. You don't need to be Ansel Adams or Steven Spielberg to succeed in the world of stock content. What matters most is having an eye for capturing interesting subjects, understanding basic composition techniques, and being able to produce high-resolution, technically sound images and videos. You can start by shooting everyday objects, landscapes, people, with their permission of course, and events using your smartphone or a basic DSLR camera. Once you've built up a portfolio of eye-catching content, it's time to list your photos and videos on popular stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, iStock Photo, and Pond5. Chapter 8. Renting out assets. Putting your possessions to work. Let's talk about a passive income strategy that's all about leveraging what you already have. Renting out assets. Now you might not realize it, but you're probably sitting on a goldmine of potential passive income streams, disguised as everyday possessions. Think about it. Do you have a car that sits idle in your garage for most of the week? Do you have a spare bedroom that's gathering dust? Do you have storage space that's going unused? These are all potential money-making opportunities just waiting to be unlocked. Platforms like Turo allow you to list your car for rent, turning your vehicle into a passive income-generating machine. Imagine earning money while your car is parked at the airport, while you're at work, or even while you're on vacation. It's like having your own personal car rental business without any of the overhead costs. Chapter 9. Investing in dividend stocks. Getting paid to be patient. Alright, let's talk about a passive income strategy that's all about playing the long game, investing in dividend stocks. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, isn't the stock market risky? And you know what? You're not wrong. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, it's historically been one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available. And here's the beautiful thing about dividend stocks: they allow you to participate in the growth of the stock market while also receiving regular passive income payments, just for holding onto your shares. It's like getting paid to be patient. Essentially, when you invest in a dividend-paying stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company that's committed to sharing its profits with its shareholders. Chapter 10. AI-powered passive income streams. Letting the robots do the work. Alright, let's wrap things up with a passive income strategy that's at the forefront of innovation: AI-powered passive income streams. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, is AI going to take over our jobs and leave us all unemployed? Listen, while AI is certainly disrupting many industries, it's also creating exciting new opportunities for entrepreneurs and those looking to generate passive income. Think of AI as a powerful tool that can automate tasks, enhance efficiency, and unlock new possibilities that weren't even conceivable a few years ago. And the beauty of it is, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a coding genius to leverage the power of AI for passive income. One of the most exciting areas where AI is making waves is in content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can generate high-quality written content, from blog posts and articles to social media captions and even scripts like the one you're reading right now. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways to make $100 a day in passive income. Remember, building true wealth and financial freedom takes time, effort, and a willingness to embrace new opportunities. The strategies we've covered today offer incredible potential for generating passive income streams that can supplement your existing income, accelerate your financial goals, and ultimately, give you more freedom and flexibility in your life. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one or two of these strategies that resonate with you, start small, experiment, learn as you go, and most importantly, take action. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and the time to take that step is now. I'll see you on the road to success.